artist. Today we're drawing a camper. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the center of my paper and I'm gonna start making a letter U. It's an upside down letter U and this is a big one. Okay, so let's try to go super slow and we're gonna close the letter U right here. Okay, now we're gonna make a straight and horizontal line to the right from here to the corner. Now I'm gonna go down a little bit and I want to trace a little line right here, and then after that I'm gonna follow the same alignment right there and I'm making another one, and now I'm gonna join these two by doing another letter U, an upside down letter U, and we're gonna join these two together. Now I'm gonna do the same thing but now in the inside. Okay, so letter U, upside down letter U, and that's it. Now let's do the tire of the camper. So just half a circle right here. Now I'm making another one going up a little bit here and doing one more half a circle, and let's do a little circle inside. That's right. Now let's continue this part. Okay, I want to do a line right here, so we're gonna follow the same and we're gonna just continue doing that line, and I'm gonna close this little corner right here. Okay, now next step is gonna do the door, and for that I'm gonna do a door step first. So I'm making here two lines and then I'm gonna join those two. It's like a rectangle, and from here I'm doing the door. Okay, so the door is another upside down letter U. This is a long one, and let's do a little window here by doing a circle inside right there, and now the door handle will be a rectangle. Let's continue with the window. Okay, right here, so I'm doing a square, and this square is gonna have round corners right there, just like that. Now let's do a line in the middle, and that's gonna be kind of like the shade of the window, a little line for the handle and a circle. And now I want to continue doing horizontal lines for the shades. That's it. Okay, now let's do down here. We're gonna start working on the base of the camper. So I'm just gonna do a line to follow this one, just little line right here, and then close it in the corner, because from here I'm gonna do the kind of like the support of the camper, just like that. Okay, now let's work on the back, and I'm gonna do a detail here. It's gonna be light, and it's just half a circle, and on top of here we're gonna do like kind of like a little roof they have here. So I'm just doing two lines, joining those two together, and now let's do a diagonal line that comes down here. Perfect. So the camper is done. Now let's continue with the ground, and for that I'm doing like a line, but it's a curvy line, just to make sure that it looks like the bumpy road the camper is sitting on. And now here I'm going to start making like kind of like a grass and just triangles together. Let's do one more on the left side right here, there. And now I'm going to make the pines that is behind the camper. So for that I'm just doing like kind of like triangles together. Okay, so to finish this pine I'm just going to do again kind of like a bumpy line right here. So here behind this it passed the pine, so I'm just gonna continue doing these lines for the tree. Okay, and here I'm gonna put two lines to finish my tree and put more kind of like bushes right here. Okay, now let's do the other pine tree that goes in the other side. Okay, and it goes behind the camper. Remember, you can always pause the video to copy what I'm doing. Okay, bumpy line right here, 2 lines. Okay, and again, more bushes, just curvy lines. Perfect. Now in my favorite part, let's color. Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!